Have you ever wondered what lies beneath your skin? Let's unravel and get onto a journey of unrevealing various skincare routine types and how deep do they penetrate on the different layers of your skin. Hi, this is Dr. Shikhar Chaube, practicing dermatologist and aesthetic surgeon, practicing in Mumbai for the last 5 years. Today we are here to discuss about your skin, how deep the layers of your skin go, and what your skincare routine should look like to penetrate the deeper tissues of your skin. The skin is one of the most marvelous organs in the body. It starts from your head and goes down up till your toe. The skin is not only a single piece of tissue, it has a deeper meaning to it. There are 3 main layers of the skin, namely the epidermis, which marks the topmost layer, the dermis, which is the second layer, the hypodermis or the adipose tissue, which lies right underneath the subcutaneous tissue. These are the various 3 layers of the skin. And now we'll discuss about how your skincare routine and what products penetrate how deep into your skin type and how do they basically protect your skin from different things for it to look healthy and nourished. The skincare routine mainly includes 2 types of products. One is the water-based products, which lay and penetrate into the deeper layers of the skin because of their lighter molecular weight. Considering hyaluronic acids and other water-based products prevent and protect your skin from transepidermal water loss. That means that it does not allow the water to escape out of your system. These are applied on the topmost layer of the skin and then they penetrate up to the layer of the dermis. Whereas on the other hand, there are deeper products which are your oil-based products like moisturizers and other ceramides. Their main job is to remain on the outermost layer of the skin and prevent the skin from getting dehydrated. It prevents the skin from any harmful organisms or bacteria to enter the deeper layer of the skin, and it marks the topmost protective layer of your skin. The effectiveness of your skincare routine basically depends upon how you use the products and how you apply them. The right way to apply them is to apply the light molecular waste products first on the topmost layer of the skin, considering your hyaluronic acid and other water-based products. Before the application of these products, the skin requires a perfect cleansing option. So you use a toner or you use a serum which cleanses your skin. Second, you apply the water-based products like hyaluronic acid which hydrate the skin and prevents the skin. Third, and the topmost layer of the skin type is supposed to be your oil-based moisturizers or your sunscreen, which mark the protective lining of your skin and it prevents the transepidermal water loss. This routine helps to give your skin a blooming, glowing skin all through 365 days of the year. So marking the end of this conversation, what really requires to have a right skincare routine is the selection of the appropriate products considering your skin type. The best advice for your skincare routine can be provided to you by your dermatologist. Visit your dermatologist today and get a tailored skincare routine for a beaming and glowing skin. Thank you.